everyone, today I have a cell introduction. Well, what are cells? Cells is a basic unit of organisms. Some organisms like bacteria only have one cell. It's a single cell organism. But some like people or bird have trillions of cells. There's 200 different cells in our body. Most of a cell is so tiny that we can only see it under a microscope. The cell theory. A. All organisms are composed of cells. B. Cells are alive and a basic unit of living things, or you can say organisms. All cells come from other cells. Okay, different cells. Cells have similar structure, but they can be different sizes, shape, and functions. Red blood cells are shaped like donuts, so they can trap oxygen and carry to your whole body. Nerve cells are very, very long, so you can carry the electric signal to other nerve cells. What you see this the skin cells? This is the epidermis cell. Okay, it's very, very, very flat. What are levels of organism? Well, you see, first is a little atom. Usually we just start at cells, but I'm talking from atom first. First is atom, many atoms for a compound or molecules, and then it's the organelles, and become cells. Many cells we know for tissues, and tissues for organ for a system, and then it's the organisms, like a people, like me. Okay, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Prokaryotic don't have a nucleus. Eukaryotic cells have a nucleus. And prokaryotic cells don't have organelles. Eukaryotic cells have organelles. Some prokaryotic cells like bacteria, and eukaryotic cells are like fungi. Are like fungi and protists. Whoa. Okay. What are cells? Well, we see cells are basically they have different shape, but they are usually made of three things: the nucleus, the cell membrane, or you can say it's the plasma membrane, and the cytoplasm. What's plasma membrane? Well, plasma membrane are usually made of phospholipid. Looks like lids. Now see this. There's the head and the tail. The head is both sides, and the tail is the middle. The head is what you're loving, and the middle is what you're fearing. And their special channel allows some big molecules like glucose to get in, and the channel are made of protein. What is the nucleus? Well, nucleus have double plasma membrane. That's the nuclear envelope. Okay, they both have two layers of this. And you see there, you can see this small dot are nuclear pore. A lot of RNA to get out. We know we make protein. And now we can see this. This is a nucleus, which is to make ribosomes. And you see, this is a chromosome. It's not in the nucleus. But you see this, they just float in the. It just is in the nucleus. Okay. And you see that when usually chromosome doesn't look like that. It's float around and look like a lot of maybe just thread or something. It's very messy. What is the cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is like a cell factory. Cytosol is a jelly-like thing that organelles is set in it. The cytosol. Cytoplasm includes the cytosol and the organelles, but not the nucleus. What is mitochondria? Mitochondria have double plasma membrane. It's like a powerhouse in the cell, and it offers a cell to have a chemical reaction. And the cellular respiration happens in the mitochondria. What is the chloroplast? Chloroplast we know there's only in plant cells, and they have double plasma membrane too. and it creates energy from the sun. And it also, and this is called the photosynthesis. This they get energy from the sun. What is a vacuoles? Vacuoles are store the water and nutrients. Plant cells have larger vacuoles than animals. Plants have a large vacuoles. What are lysosomes? Lysosome is like a recycling truck that carry the waste out of the cell. What is a ribosome and ER? Ribosome is an ER small talk. I'll talk about ER later. Ribosome is like a factory. It's like a factory that makes the protein. Protein is the product. What is ER? ER stands for endoplasmic reticulum, and ER is to make a shape and move the protein. Okay? There's smooth one and rough one. Rough one have ribosome, and just to make a protein. The smooth one is to make lipid for the cell. What is the last one? The Golgi body. Well, Golgi body, when they get the protein from the ribosome, the rough one, okay, the rough ER and the ribosome, and first, it's like a mailroom that packs the product that we mean the protein, and then they send to the right place in the cell or out the cell. Thank you very much.